Every product begins here, dirty. Discarded coconut shells from tropical farms, once treated as waste. Only strong, intact shells are selected, sorted carefully for quality and durability.
Sure, the thicker ones go here.
Got it. Sending this batch through now.
Each shell is cleaned by hand, revealing its natural strength and texture.
Once prepared, the shells are ready for transformation.
The harvesting stage reshapes waste into workable raw forms. Each piece is collected, ready for its next purpose.
The shells are organized and packed for their journey to production.
Prepared shells now move toward the factory floor.
All right, bring it over. Coming down now. Good. Next one.
From farm waste to industrial resource, the journey begins. Marks the first step inside the transformation factory. Industrial washing removes impurities, preparing the shells for precision processing. Shells emerge, revealing their natural strength and finish.
Now prepared, the shells move toward cutting and reshaping.
High-precision machines cut the shells into workable forms. Form pieces ensure accuracy in the shaping stage. Prepared shells await their transformation. Machines refine each shell with controlled precision. Refined shells emerge, ready for final shaping. Each piece is positioned for its final form. Transforms shell fragments into functional design. Freshly shaped forms emerge, precise, strong, and naturally unique. Freshly shaped forms emerge, precise, strong, and naturally unique. Controlled heat stabilizes the shells for long-term durability. Temperature treatment prevents cracking and warping. Treated shells gain strength and stability.
Finished pieces move to careful packaging. Each item is packed to protect its natural beauty.
Let's get this pallet wrapped on it. Next stack ready. Check this one. Looks good. Next batch on it.
Every batch is stored for efficient distribution.